The Skull by Christian. Dun 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 dun. Skull is very important because it holds our brain, eyes, nose, and our teeth. Fiction. What does the body part do? It moves the teeth up and down, side to side. The skull holds the brain, eyes, teeth, saliva, gum, nerves, top of the esophagus, and the mouth, also your lip. Diseases that may affect this organ: poor growth, muscle weakness, stroke, poor cord installation. That's all. There's many more things that could have a disease that might affect the skull. Can we survive? Can we survive without this organ? Why? Why not? No, because your brain, eyes, teeth, tongue, saliva, and the nerves will fall out of your head. This part was the first one. It is location in the body. Is it a part of the system? It is located under the brain and over the liver and esophagus. That's it for today, Year 4. Thank you for listening to my skull information. Please enjoy this music.